Welcome to USA Biker Channel. Leyland Guru is one of the most thoughtfully designed light commercial vehicles in India, aimed at transforming the way businesses manage last-mile deliveries and short-haul logistics. Designed and developed by Ashok Leyland, a flagship of the Hinduja Group and one of India's largest commercial vehicle manufacturers, the Guru stands out with its blend of durability, performance, and fuel efficiency. This model is tailored for those who need a reliable and economical solution to transport goods across city roads and semi-urban regions. The Ashok Leyland Guru is positioned in the intermediate commercial vehicle (ICV) segment, typically used for applications like fruits and vegetables transportation, e-commerce deliveries, industrial goods, and even construction material. Its weight variants usually range from 11 to 14 tons, offering flexible payload capacities that suit a wide range of business needs. One of the major highlights of this vehicle is its robust iGen 6 engine technology, which not only complies with BS6 emission norms but also ensures enhanced fuel efficiency and reduced environmental impact. The engine powering the Guru is a 3-cylinder, turbocharged, common rail diesel engine known for its impressive torque and mileage. It is designed to deliver optimal performance even under full load conditions and on tough terrains. With a power output that ensures consistent pickup and a smooth drive even in congested traffic or uneven rural roads, the Guru ensures minimal stress on the engine and better longevity. For businesses that rely on tight delivery schedules, the Guru's reliable performance becomes a major advantage. Another key feature of the Ashok Leyland Guru is its lightweight chassis, which has been engineered for maximum strength and durability. This ensures that the vehicle can handle heavier loads without compromising on structural integrity or fuel economy. The use of high-strength steel and advanced welding technologies helps in reducing the overall weight of the vehicle, giving it an edge in terms of payload capacity and mileage. It also contributes to the stability and handling of the vehicle, especially when navigating through narrow city roads or making sharp turns in urban environments. The suspension setup in the Guru is also worth mentioning. The parabolic leaf springs in the front and rear provide excellent ride comfort even when the vehicle is fully loaded. This translates to less wear and tear on the vehicle and reduced fatigue for the driver. In industries where vehicles are often used for multiple trips in a single day, this ride quality can contribute to increased productivity and reduced maintenance costs. Driver comfort is a crucial part of the Ashok Leyland Guru's design. The cabin is ergonomically designed with a spacious layout, ample legroom, and strategically placed controls. The dashboard features a modern instrument cluster that provides real-time information like fuel economy, engine health, and service reminders. It is not just about getting from point A to B. The Guru ensures that the journey is comfortable, informed, and safe. Power steering, adjustable seating, and air conditioning options are available to enhance the driver's experience further, especially for long hours on the road. Safety features have not been compromised either. The Guru comes equipped with anti-lock braking system, ABS, seat belts, reinforced doors, and strong body construction. Some variants also come with a reverse parking assist, which is incredibly useful in crowded markets or tight unloading zones. Safety is an important aspect for fleet operators, and Ashok Leyland's commitment to it helps businesses maintain better control over operational risks. The fuel tank capacity of the Guru is another advantage. With large-sized tanks available depending on the variant, it reduces the need for frequent refueling and supports longer trips without breaks. This is especially helpful for operators working on tight delivery timelines or in areas where fuel stations are sparse. The vehicle also supports easy serviceability with a wide network of authorized service centers and affordable spare parts, ensuring that any downtime is minimized and operations remain uninterrupted. Ashok Leyland has also taken a step forward with its connected vehicle platform, iAlert. This technology provides real-time telematics including vehicle tracking, performance monitoring, and predictive maintenance alerts. Fleet owners can monitor their vehicles remotely and make data-driven decisions to improve efficiency, reduce costs, and ensure timely service schedules. It's another reason why the Guru is not just a truck, but a smart business asset. The Guru is also highly customizable, with multiple body options, wheelbases, and load deck configurations available to suit specific applications. Whether it's transporting dairy products, courier packages, grains, or hardware supplies, Ashok Leyland offers tailor-made solutions that make the Guru a versatile addition to any fleet. Additionally, the company's focus on localized production and customer feedback has led to continuous improvements in design and function, making the Guru a truly evolving product in the commercial vehicle landscape. Affordability is a core part of the Guru's appeal. The initial investment is justified by the vehicle's high fuel efficiency, low maintenance needs, and strong resale value. Many small and medium-scale transporters choose the Guru because of its long-term value and the trust associated with the Ashok Leyland brand. Financing options are also widely available, supported by the brand's financial partners, making it easier for business owners to invest in their first or additional vehicles. Another important factor is the resale value. Because of its proven performance and low operating cost, the Ashok Leyland Guru maintains strong demand in the second-hand commercial vehicle market. This makes it a smart investment for fleet owners looking for both current operational reliability and future resale potential. From a branding perspective, Ashok Leyland has built a strong identity around trust, innovation, and service support. The Guru fits right into this philosophy, offering a product that meets modern-day transport demands while retaining simplicity and ruggedness. It's a fine balance of tradition and technology, making it an attractive option for both experienced transporters and new entrepreneurs looking to enter the logistics business. The support infrastructure for Ashok Leyland vehicles is vast, with over 5,000 touchpoints across India, including service centers, spare parts outlets, and mobile service units. This ensures that wherever your business takes you, help is never far away. Moreover, their trained technicians and genuine parts availability help maintain the performance and life of the vehicle at optimal levels. In conclusion, the Ashok Leyland Guru is more than just a truck. It's a reliable business partner for entrepreneurs and fleet operators who value economy, reliability, and efficiency. With its thoughtfully designed engine, smart technology features, comfortable cabin, strong after-sales network, and flexible customizations, it represents a strong value proposition in the intermediate commercial vehicle segment. Whether you're transporting goods across cities or running a logistics operation in semi-urban areas, the Guru delivers consistent performance and peace of mind. To explore more such dependable vehicles and make smart decisions for your business, don't forget to subscribe and follow USA Car Intro, your go-to destination for the latest in automobiles, expert insights, and detailed vehicle reviews.